Don't waste your money on this. This is nothing but a glorified steam blower, and I am telling you that with 100% confidence. I'm not dumb when it comes to electronics, and all this thing is a steam blower, and it senses the humidity in your house, and that is it. It does not work like they say it does, and I guarantee they're not going to let me post this video on their product for a review because they don't want people seeing the truth. This thing is crap.
Yeah, here's my Dreo humidifier, hot and cold humidifier that I currently use in our bedroom. Easy to use. Power button right there. If you want to change the humidity level right here, you can go hot, you can go cold, back and forth, depending on what type of setting you would like. Different settings as well, nighttime mode as well, timers as well, and there's an app to control it from your phone. Extremely happy with this purchase.
Sí.